Hello everyone.
Where you came from?
I'm Andreea Calma, teaching assistant and a PhD student at the third year at the MINCU University of Architecture and University. And I'm really glad to be here, to be part of the University of Universities workshop in this semester.
When started the idea of the workshop?
This idea has started from this pandemic period when the nature could be watched in the front of the window, and the direct relationship with the nature has been unlinked for some months, and I thought how it could be if every building had an enclosed garden where every inhabitant could have a personal relationship with elements of nature. So a more interesting thing which happened was an overwhelming question was addressed to me by an architect.
So could you give us this open answer?
In my term, I ask all of you this question with open answer. If you have a tree, what will you do with it?
Okay, so with that open answer, we close this interview.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend. Bye.
Nice to meet you.